Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I upcycled this Ottoman just in case if you have a 9-year-old Ottoman laying about in your house. I don't have any plans, but I do have an idea. The whole idea is to convert this Ottoman by taking off the padding on top of it and then replacing it with a tabletop of some sorts. This tabletop, for my design, I am just going to replace it. I'm just going to use balanced plywood that I have balanced from my old project. After taking off the padding, underneath it there are screws that they over screwed past the length of the thickness of the board. So I'm just gonna do a little magic and push the screw down. If you have same powers as I do, if you don't, then use a screwdriver. Before I screw on the plywood that I have, I'm going to glue it on first. And I just, after I stick both of them together, I'm going to leave it to dry for at least 24 hours, and then only I screw them from underneath the Ottoman cover. If you notice, the width of this plywood is not right. So to cover the sides, I've bought a pair of pine planks. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to stick them together with glue, leave it on for 24 hours, and then I'm going to screw it on from the back or from the bottom. And now it's time to put it back together. It's going to be hard. It's not work. It's not for one person. I had to ask for help, and before I asked for help, ego got over the best of me. I tried to screw it back on by myself by leaning it onto a chair, and you guessed it, it fell. Lesson to be learned here is ask help. Don't do it by yourself all the time. You can do it by yourself most of the time, but then when you need help, you'll need help. Unfortunately, I can't use any of the footage that I took after needing help. So it's done. But however, I do have this gap. So this gap, I'm going to cover it with vinyl flooring boards or vinyl flooring mats that comes in 4 pieces, and it's already pre-glued. So I'm just going to stick it on top and wait for it to dry, maybe 24 hours or even less, and it's done. This Ottoman is now a coffee table. If you're having Japanese, it will be your dining table. It can be a gaming tabletop, a jigsaw puzzle setup, whatever you wish. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe as you wish. See you again next time.